My name is Markov Yuri. Today, I will talk about the farting sound effect from Mocha. It's from a video called Pinker's Farts Babe Gets Stuck Under the PAT vertical bracket JACHA Fart. It was uploaded on May 30th, 2022, which is 2 years ago. The sound length from this video is 0072019. The lo-fi music will be removed at the beginning and end. I will show you this sound effect right now. It sounds like this. See, this is how the farting sound effect sounds. This sound is only used when I poop in the toilet, although I'm pooping right now. Let me turn on the music so I can poop. Alright, now that the music is on, I'm ready to use my tummy muscles. Ugh, ow. I feel so much better. That jazz music made me go number 2 in the toilet. Make sure you use Mocha as farting sound when you need to